back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I got a friend today. Jason is here. And we are going to be opening the fall Fabfitfun box.
So fun.
So fun, so fab, so fit.
You need a knife?
I do. I have one though.
Oh.
So this is $49.99. It comes every quarter. The summer box I just opened, so I'm in a really good spot right now because you know it's just the beginning of September. So let's get inside and see what we got.
Let's get it on. Where are we going?
All right, so this box is actually the size of the box is a lot smaller.
Looks big to me.
Than it usually. Yeah, but usually it's like this.
Oh, this is like the bonus bigger size one or whatever. Like the every 3 months one.
This one only comes every 3 months. I think you're thinking of BoxyCharm.
Or a glossy box or something like that.
Alright, so this is the box. I picked out a lot of items for this, but I can't remember what they were, except for one thing. So, first thing we have is the catalog that tells us what we got. Last time it didn't tell us the prices, and the QR code never did work. So, I hope that they didn't do that this year. Or this season. But we'll see. Alright, so here we go.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Alright, so first is from Coach. This is actually an add-on item I purchased because I thought it was a good deal. So it comes in a little bag of it. Well, you'll see.
A lot of packaging for whatever that is.
Yeah, it's got a little book for some reason.
Okay.
So it is.
Necklace thing?
It is a necklace and earring set.
Oh.
I just thought it was really cute. If it would focus. So it's just little flowers. A little pendant. Very cute. So that was an add-on item. Alright, so things I did pick. No. This is a throw. Oh. And I really like the color. I thought you'd like the color too. It's forest green. Yeah. Yes.
I like forest green.
So this is from the brand Our House.
Our House.
Your Home Waffle Blanket. And it is 50 inches by 60 or 127 centimeters by 152 centimeters.
What's 60? That's 5 feet? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good play.
So 5 feet by what?
A little bit less than 5 feet.
A little bit, 10 inches less than 5 feet. So it's a really nice green color. Should I open it?
I like the feel of it.
Yeah. Should I open it?
No.
No? But I'm gonna.
Well, you can put it on the couch, I guess.
Oh, it wouldn't match my color schemes.
Where are you gonna put it then?
So this is what it looks like. It's actually a nice size.
It feels like a towel.
Do you think that would go with our bedding?
Sure.
It does kind of feel like a towel. It's not the most cozy, but it's a really nice color. I thought.
It's the world's biggest beach towel.
Yeah, it has an off-putting scent though.
Yeah, that's
definitely needs to be washed. So that was the first thing that came in the box. All right, next up, what is this? I don't know. It's from CG Camp Gladiator. Oh, it's a jump rope. I think I might have picked this.
Oh, really?
I'm getting all fit. This is where the fit part of Fabfitfun comes in.
Gonna work on the fitness.
So we have got.
I like working on fitness. Pizza in my mouth. Yes. Okay. Sorry.
So this is. Feel that it's nice.
Yeah. Oh, it spins in there too, so you know that's kind of.
Oh, what is it?
It's got bearings. Cool.
Well, it has bearings apparently. So we got a nice skipping rope.
Spinning, spinning.
And did it come with anything else? You get 3 months free unlimited and live workouts wherever you live, valued at $177. Access to 2,500 weekly classes. And 2-way coaching and accountability from certified personal trainers who support your goals. That's pretty cool. So that's Camp Gladiator. And then...
Another add-on?
Nope. I think I only picked one. So this is from Jenny Bird. It feels very weighty. But I did have one thing from them, I believe, and it broke really quickly. So hopefully this one doesn't.
More jewelry or what?
Feels like a chain.
Bracelet?
Bracelet. I think I picked this as well. think
If
I
that's
picked
a
most.
chain, I want that. That's cool. I like that.
I think it's a bracelet.
Oh yeah, it's a
So it is a really cute multi chain bracelet. That's really cute, actually. I think I picked.
I want one like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so he wants one like this, a necklace.
Yeah, but made it of like titanium or something.
Oh, that won't be too pricey at all. I don't know that this is gonna fit on my. Oh, is that an extender there? Yes. Okay. So this will probably fit on my wrist. Look how cute that is. That's cute.
Nice.
Do you mind doing this up for me? That's why you're here to help. You're so help. You want to turn around?
Eventually we'll get it. We'll just keep the video rolling.
Yep.
For the folks at home to enjoy our tying the bracelet on.
Grab a snack, you know.
Done.
So that is what it looks like. It's really cute. Very cute for fall, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Could be a little. So I still got a couple links left.
I could have went tighter, but I didn't want to cut off your circulation.
Oh, thanks. I think I got enough room there.
Yeah.
So that's cute. All right. So next up, I feel a squeezy tube. So this is from True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm Moisturizing Balm for Hands and Body. I like a good lotion.
Keep your flesh soft.
I do like to have soft flesh.
Does it smell like?
That's what we're gonna see.
Is there another seal in there?
I don't. Why would there be more than one seal?
Oh wow, that's stiff, man. What is this stuff?
It's like caulking. It's good. Okay. Don't
Look at how
waste the
stiff
product.
it is, though. Holy moly.
Yeah, it's like really.
Odd.
Oh, here's my dog.
That's Mac. He's kind of a permanent house guest now.
It doesn't really have a lot of smell.
He's not. I thought it would have been like.
It's very greasy.
What's that orange?
Look how
type
greasy
scent?
that is.
What do they call that? Doesn't matter.
Like from Body Shop?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I haven't bought it so long, I don't remember.
It doesn't matter.
Look how greasy that is, though.
Maybe it's not for your hands. You're supposed to rub it on your other areas or something.
Balm for hands and body. So it's a balm. So I would suggest probably putting this on before bed because that. Here, rub some on you. That's super grease.
It is quite grease. It came up with like the consistency.
Thank you for letting me use you as a like Vaseline.
Cold bacon fat or something like that.
Ew. Or Vaseline.
All right.
Ew, what would cold bacon fat rubbed on your skin feel like?
It would probably be really good for you, but stinky.
Yeah, walking by somebody that smells like bacon, that would be weird.
Yeah, it'll probably go rancid after a bit.
All right, we're getting to the end already.
That towel took up a lot of space in there, I guess.
It's a blanket. So what's this?
It says Pink Diamond on it. I don't know.
It's Pink Diamond. Oh, it's from Rodial. Good brand. Instant lifting serum. That is a really nice sized serum.
What's a lifting serum do?
It lifts and illuminates. It's for your face scans.
What's it lift?
Triple action flash radiant serum for an immediate lift effect, even skin tone, and luminosity.
Oh, like skin, like it tightens your wrinkles up or whatever?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
with skin tightening enzymes, vitamin C, and diamond powder. Oh.
Diamond powder.
I wonder how much diamond powder.
It's probably nothing but diamond powder in there, I'd imagine. And a little bit of...
My hands are so greasy from that lotion. I wasn't going to kill you.
It was kind of...
It was away from our faces,
there.
though, wasn't it?
You were pointing it at my eyeballs.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. My hands are so greasy. I can't do anything from that lotion.
You put it on me, too, so I don't know.
Well, I didn't put out as much. Like, still, so greasy.
This is supposed to tear away, but it's not doing it that much.
No. Another time to get a snack, have a beverage. I need a beverage. Well, don't break it. It's probably really expensive. All right, so this is what it looks like. Should we pump out a little bit? Oh my gosh.
Is it a spray?
I mean, you did put a lot of... No, it's a serum.
Oh, it's like one of those. Okay.
So it's probably like $47 I just put on my hand there.
Do you see any...
Oh, that's got a nice scent. I don't know what...
Oh, yeah.
Very serum-y.
Makes you glow. Must be the diamonds.
Oh, yeah. Probably is the diamonds. It's got a nice glow to it. All right, so that is that. Great, we're already to the end.
Looks like socks.
It does look like socks. So from Fire.
You know how Christmas time sometimes like your nephew or not your nephew, your sibling will get like a really nice present, and then you'll from one person, and then from that same person you'll get socks. Does that ever happen to you? Probably not, but it happened to me.
It happened to you.
This is like what
it happened to you with one of your family members gave me beautiful presents, like 4 presents, and you got black socks.
Yeah. No.
I won't say which family
Black
member.
socks. Nice.
These aren't black. These are more gray. So are they even socks? Oh, they're boot socks. 2 pairs.
What? Oh, like just to line your
Bamboo blend.
Okay.
So to line my boots.
Okay.
I need new boots, by the way, this year because my calves are so much smaller. Oh, you're right. They were black. Black and gray. They feel really nice. They're squishy.
So why would you put those in your boots if you're going to wear socks anyways? Just like you'd be double socked. That's
What do you mean?
Better. Well, that goes inside your boot as a liner, right?
Yeah, but they're also socks.
Oh, okay. Maybe I was confused about it. You call it a boot liner or something.
A boot sock.
Boot sock, yeah.
But you can buy those things that like just cuff your leg right underneath your boot.
Yeah.
And those are definitely for like shorter boots. Because that ain't going up very high.
Yeah, you can't put them
up your leg. Like that would be my foot right there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
They're nice.
Pretty thin. They're like business socks or
yeah, I
whatever.
feel how they feel good.
Yeah.
And they're made with
it's like a microfiber type of thing.
Yeah.
You could probably clean your glasses with these socks and they wouldn't scratch.
Oh, well, let's try.
Are you going to?
Here's my glasses. And they're dirty.
Let's give it a go.
That's why you're here, you know, to help me and clean my glasses. And
I'll do one and then see if the other one is like makes a difference.
I like to find multiple uses for things.
There you go.
Oh yeah, that definitely
Quite
made
better.
Oh yes.
Okay, well there you go. Now if you got
Dual
this box, you
purpose.
can clean your glasses with these socks. Perfect.
So helpful and handy. If they don't find you handsome, they'll at least find you handy.
Are you recording?
Yes, so we had to scan our QR code to find out the prices, and it's working. So
the total value of your box is quite impressive.
oh, let's learn that at the end. I want to be surprised.
That was weird to say. Sorry. Okay. Okay, grab a thing. Actually, the
go in
towel.
order. Okay, it's a blanket.
The waffle net throw blanket.
Okay, how much is this?
$60.
Oh wow,
I can't do the total. I guess it tells me the total.
I would not be able to. I would not spend that for that.
Okay, the Rhodial Pink Diamond Lifting Serum.
Yes.
$135.
Told you it was expensive.
It's got diamonds in it. So
that's a lot of money for a serum.
Oh wow.
But it's a good size.
Oh, I guess they're including the membership and everything. But the Camp Gladiator 3 months of CG workouts and Camp Gladiator jump rope.
Yes. How much?
$197 value.
So this jump rope is $20.
I'm looking at the camera like. Sorry.
So the membership was $177, and then this is $20 then.
I guess, yeah. So it's a total value of $197.
Oh, I really don't want to do it, but I have to.
Yeah. The Fried Bamboo boot sock 2-pack, size 5 to 10.
Oh, good. So it'll fit my size 10 feet. Yeah.
$24.
$24 for socks. It's
expensive.
Well, how much were your socks you just bought for a 4-pack?
About $5 a pair.
Yeah, so.
Those are double.
$10
They're nice. You can clean your glasses with them.
Yeah.
All right, True Moriana.
You remind me of like
Moringa.
You remind me
Moringa
of
Balm.
when Dwight is pretending to be dressed up as Jim. He's looking at the camera like.
I don't know what to do, so I'm just doing weird things. The balm. The balm.
The really greasy balm. I don't love this.
$24.
That's really expensive.
Okay, Jenny Bird Austin cuff. That bracelet.
Yes.
That's expensive. That's $135.
$135.
Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice.
Wow. I mean, I feel like you could get that at our dens, but
well,
I don't want to be
different.
mean.
No.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
Nice. It's kind of nice.
My sister-in-law loves these kinds of bracelets.
Yeah.
But she likes hers with more diamonds.
The Coach. This was an add-on. I think you said that, right?
Yep.
Coach open circle necklace and T Rose stud set.
Yes.
$125.
I think that's why I picked it up, because it was an add-on, so I think it was like $12 to add on.
And it's a good value. For that.
Yeah.
Okay. So the total value of the box, and you paid what, $50 for it?
$49.99 American.
$700.
What?
That's what it says right there. That's because of that membership and that add-on probably, but still.
But still, $700.
Yeah, so really it wasn't a $50 box. It was like a $70 box or whatever.
Okay, so how I tell if I got good value is will I use the stuff that I got?
Yeah.
This I'm keeping, but I think I bought it more maybe as a Christmas gift. This I really like. I'll wear that. This serum, I always love a good serum. This,
it's pretty thick, man.
I think for before bed it would be good. Because like,
it's already starting to lose the greasiness.
Yeah,
it's just your skin.
It was initially very greasy.
Yeah.
So this would be good before bed, I think.
It's on me too, and I got like old man hands, and they're not, they're looking pretty good.
This might be something good for you then, because you
Maybe.
have the dry skin.
Yeah.
The throw I will definitely use as a decor item, not necessarily keep me cozy. Look how nice that would be. Like for Christmas too, fall and Christmas.
And you could like throw it around your neck and use it as one of those oversized scarves if you're being brave.
Well, I mean, I could. Okay, I could, but I think it might be a little too oversized. Like.
That's because, yeah, look at that. There you go. Cut some armholes in it. It could be a head hole. I don't know.
Well, if you want me to make a poncho, I just need a head hole.
Yeah, I guess so.
Try to sit here like this.
I don't know what you're doing.
Being fashionable, obvi.
Oh.
So, like, you think that this giant blanket would be a good scarf?
Yeah, there's like, you just hit
sorry.
me in the face with it. But yeah.
I mean, for a hate, like something cold, sure.
And have a tweed
Like a
jacket on
parade.
over top of it.
Tweed jacket.
I don't know.
Right, like one of my old van coats, like I used to wear in high school that you loved so much.
Okay. That everything?
Yeah. Did you like this box?
All in all, good box. This thing is kind of greasy.
Yeah.
I don't know. The jump rope's got bearings in it, which is kind of cool.
The jump rope. I forgot to talk about the jump rope. The jump rope I got because I need to do more heavy cardio, but I really don't want to. Really don't want to.
Nobody wants to.
I think some people
sure
like
want
it, Jay. Some like people who like you see them bicycling, like
They have sicknesses.
on highways.
They're all
I just
mentally
don't.
sick.
I don't understand how you can enjoy that. So if you are a cyclist, why do you enjoy it? Because I just can't understand why.
I hope you get a lot of feedback on that. I hope.
Yeah.
And then maybe you'll motivate us to do that.
Yeah, we're not pooping on you. We're not poo-pooing on your activity. I just want to know why you enjoy it.
All right.
Like, probably people don't understand why I want to own 1,000 eyeshadow palettes.
Right.
But I do. All right. Yeah. So I want to thank you all for watching. Jay, I want to thank you for joining me.
No problem.
It's nice to have you here. And thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching. I
dog
really
fancy.
appreciate it.
Hello.
Oh, here's macaroni. Where's Chunk?
Over there.
Chunk! Come here. Come here, Chunk. Come. Come. She's deaf.
Not gonna. Yeah.
So she's over there.
This guy's here.
But Mac's here.
Hello. Right.
Look how cute he is. He's like a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We always get distracted by dogs. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click right here. Go to my channel and subscribe.
Down here.
You can click like down below.
Over there.
And there's videos here and here. And yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks for watching. As always, bye.